Well, the reason I entered the Idea Challenge contest was I needed some help with the manufacturing, prototyping of this product, and also with the business end of this, marketing help.
We had made our product, we had established what we thought was a good product, but that was as far as we could get, as far as the marketing and maybe in the manufacturing part of it, we were like dead in the water. We didn't have the expertise or the knowledge or whatever it was to continue.
I need more help in the proper way to run a business.
Basically, I think one of the real advantages to this program is it's not whether you win the money, that's a nice little buffer, but as you go through the steps, these presentations become more and more polished. These individuals know how then to present to bankers, to insurance agents, to actual venture capitalists. And that's probably the best benefit I can see off this program.
The problem with a new product, especially something revolutionary like RubberMax, is that you don't have a customer for it from day one. Everything else we do at Adhesive R&D, we have a customer behind it. When you're just trying to create new technology, there's going to be a lot of failures. There's going to be things that aren't marketable. And even if you have something marketable, at the end of the day, it's a new idea. And new ideas are the hardest thing to sell out there.
I think the first thing I learned from the Idea Challenge was how to make my business plan better. What needed to be in there, how to get it across to people what I wanted to do. Because I know I understand it, but it's hard to put that on paper and show other people, well, no, this is how this is going to work.
This is a learning experience. When you try to design something you don't think that anybody has, you go through the prototyping process, the research process, the code research process is communicating with the state, to the city, on the inspection levels, patent attorneys. It is all costly. It does take a lot of time.
I would recommend that anyone that has an idea that's patentable to certainly join the Idea Challenge competition, just because I can't see any downside to the time spent going through this process.
When we came and we talked to you guys, everybody was so easy to talk to and answered our questions and always got back to us when we called or when we emailed. So that part of it, super easy.
I would highly recommend anybody out there with an idea, and if because you're not going to know it all, and just like we've got walls that we've come up against, everybody's going to have that situation. And these guys, as far as I can see from the Idea Challenge people, they've got the contacts, they've got the people that will help you, and to me, that's worth an awful lot.